Hi guys, today we are building a new workflow which is for a client onboarding, and this is a very useful and small use case of using Anytin because it's like when you want to onboard a new client or you want to give a welcome message to them. So in that case you don't have to do that manually, you can really automate it, and you can also store their information like who is signing up to your forms. For that, we have built a very simple AI agent, and here the trigger point is it's on a form submission. So when a user submits this form, we will go to these two workflows, and we have two AI agents. So this workflow will actually send a welcome message to the client, and this workflow will help us to track the details of that client in our personal database or Google Sheet. Like here we are using a Google Sheet to update all the data of the client, and here is the trigger point. So when we submit this form, let me open this form and show you the details. So this is the test URL and the production URL. As of now there is no authentication, but we can add basic auth and pass some tokens. The description and the title is like it's for client onboarding, and please fill out the form. And we have these three fields like name and email and company industry, and there is one more field, but yeah, we can make it as required as field as true, because we want to ask the client that what are the plans for him or her, for the client in the next 3 months. This is a required field, and this all these fields are required field. We can add some more fields based on this. uh, there is a attribute, there is the option called append annotate attribution. So if you don't want this annotate uh, to be coming in below the form, so you can keep it off here as of now. So this is our form, and when we submit this form, it will go to this agent. So let me go through this prompt, user prompt. So it's a prompt to create a welcome message, and it will be creating an email for us divided into this subject, body, and the email. The tone will be warm, respectful, and appreciative. The inputs will be this name, email, and plan, like what's the plan, what the client has the plan for the next 3 months. This is a welcome message. The body is here, the subject is there, and the email we have. So let me start this, and after that we are using this node to send a mail. Like here we are sending to this variable and this subject and body, because in this agent we are using an output parser to get the values into subject, body, and to. Let me quickly run this. If you do execute step, it will open up this form. We can type our name, type my name like John. Type my email only, I'll get it. So once you submit this form, it's submitted, and this workflow is working. So once this is done, we'll go to this agent workflow. So we have started this workflow, and it's running this output. So it gives us this to whom we have to send this message, the subject and the body. From there we'll trigger a mail, and this mail will be triggered, and this will work as a welcome mail to the client, and it has been triggered. So if you go to the mail and we check it, so this is the mail we got. Hi John, welcome to next one, and excited to begin your journey to raise $1 million. And this is the text we have. For the next 3 months, as a part of a plan to raise $1 million, we stay aligned to you and to ensure a smooth and impactful experience. And this is we have to format a little bit, but it's fine. Yeah, we can as of now keep it as it is. We have to do some prompt change, I think, to just align it in the bottom, but that's a smaller change. Once this is done, we can restart. We can start this workflow as well. So this will have different workflow. This is actually segregating the summary, email and name. This is just for tracking purpose. Like when we click it also has this structure output parser, because we have the summary, the name and the email. Based on those details we are filling up these variables, and we are using these variables to fill up this form. So we have a sheet which is like client onboarding. So if you go here, so this is the sheet and we have the details already here. So this details is working. It's a very simple workflow, but yeah, you can use it in your own use case instead of relying on some other software. It's very simple to build, and that's all for today. Hope you like it, and please leave a comment or like, and please subscribe to my channel. Thank you.